another DirtBike Lunatic episode. Once again, we're back with another episode of Daily Dose of Biker Stuff. And in this episode, you will see some of the epic, crazy and exciting biker moments. So, make sure to stick till the end. And also make sure to like this episode because it helps us a lot. So, let's start.
Warning.
Biker boy. Hey.
Hello.
Yes! Oh, I haven't got a single wave from a biker in so long. They all just kind of reject me because I'm, you know, gonna get myself some fuel, baby. Fuel time equals fun time. Nice. Oh, I forgot the prices were up. Oh, no. Oh, that was supposed to be half tank, Danof. Oh, we can't afford this. I'm ruined. I need financial debt. Guys, I just started a GoFundMe. Oh!
Gas prices are so high right now that the driver thought that he was buying whole gas pumps.
Hold on. He's gonna have to have forgotten one more thing. Oh, no! Ursäkta. Jag tänkte den är uppe där. Inga problem. Maybe after all this time, I'm Batman. I thought that guy was Batman. I think I'm Batman now. You're retired, old man. Not to brag or anything, but I actually jogged to tell that guy. Okay, because he was going into the washing place. And he would 100% have gotten water in his tank. I don't know how cars work, but I saved them.
He owes me money.
Eita!
Roundabouts with more lanes can be confusing sometimes. This biker got himself in lane-splitting accident. He said that he panic-braked when white Nissan started to block his path. Insurance determined that the accident was 100% Nissan's driver's fault, and the bike was 100% covered by insurance.
Oh, alright. Yeah, if you want to help me pick it up. Ah. Meu Deus! Meu Deus! Rapaziada! Nossa!
Tá no quadro. Tem quadro aí, ó.
Looks like normal day for bikers in Brazil. Due to the high rate of crimes committed by motorcycle gangs, police are taking action in catching criminals on bikes. And that's why you will see scenes like this.
He almost hit.
This biker said that he didn't want to cross on yellow because there is a camera that catches the red light runners. He stopped and tried to warn other bikers behind, but unfortunately, it was too late.
Machucou aí, mano?
Não, tá suave.
Tá suave?
Pegando fogo, bagulho dentro. Pegando fogo na luzinha. Tá pegando fogo o bagulho, mano. Tá pegando fogo. É o fio aqui, ó. Tá pegando fogo no fio aqui, ó.
In Europe, most of the countries use sand and salt for defrosting the roads. And because that, in winter there is much more sand on the road, especially close to the curbs. Unfortunately, this biker tried to overtake on bad spot, and sand made his back tire to lose the grip.
Chama aí o 112. Devagar, devagar. Não se mexe, não se mexe. Foi o carro, não foi?
Não, não.
Está bem?
Acho que foi a aranha.
Foi na areia? Deixa estar.
É a minha moto que está a mudar. Está-me vendo o peito da queda. Eu já caí mais que uma vez e sei que não tenho nada a partir.
There she is. Doesn't look too bad, does she? Well, this is her good side. She landed on the other side and there's a few things still to be taken care of. One mirror is missing and there we go. This is the nastiest bit. Now, I'm quite thankful that as this was my own mistake, nobody threw me to the ground, hence nobody else is responsible and I have to pay for all my damages.
I'm good, brother. But yeah, F1, and then I get 5D or SD.
So you can't bump start it?
Jump start? I mean, I might try to.
I mean, I can push if you want. Yeah, we could try it. If not, I don't live too far from here. I can go get my jumper box and then see if that'll help it.
I live right by Cal State.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, so I don't shouldn't need all that.
Alright, ready? So you good? You should be able to make it home then?
We're running. I just got that code now. I mean, it's running though, so I think it's got to be something with like the connection. Because I just put it in yesterday. I wonder if I did something.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
I'll figure it out though. That's all I needed. I appreciate it, dude.
All right, no worries. Anytime, bro. You want me to follow you at least?
Bro, it's right by Cal State. I mean, yeah, no, it's fine, dude.
Okay. All right, man.
came to the end of this episode. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't yet. We read your comments, so make sure to comment down below if you want us to do more of these videos. New merch is added on our store, so feel free to check it out. See you in the next episode. Till then, ride safe.